everyone, my 2PM here. Do you ever wonder what to do with all the Shopkins you got? Well, we have a nifty craft for you. We're gonna make refrigerator magnets. For that, we're gonna need some magnetic tape, some glue, and some scissors. So let's get started. Pick the Shopkin that you want to do. I'm going to start with this little gingerbread house. You take some tape and you cut it to size of the back. So I'm just going to take a little bit here. Take a little out this. There, that looks like that's gonna fit, maybe just a little corner. That will be perfect. Now on the sticky side is not gonna be strong enough to hold it, so that's why we're gonna use some glue to make it a little stronger. Little dab of glue. Put it right on the back. And now you let it dry. I'll put it aside. Let's do another one. I think we're gonna do the French fries. They look cute for a refrigerator magnet. Gonna cut a piece of the magnet tape. That looks perfect. A little dab of glue. And push it into the back. Oh, looks like I do need to take a little corner off here. There we go. Set it aside to dry. How about we try to do one of these cakes? The trick is that they'll have to hang like this, not sideways, because there's no flat back. So let's give it a try. Take a piece of my magnets. That's just about done. Maybe just take the corners out. A little dab of glue. And we're all done. And I think I want to make one more. Should we do the spaghetti? How about the chocolate bars? That's a good one. Take a piece of the magnet. Little dab of glue and push it in the back. There you have it. We're gonna let it dry now. Okay, here it is, refrigerator magnet Shopkins. How cool is that? There's something to do with all those Shopkins now. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time. Make it fun!